Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn off notifications for Pinterest tips. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Pinterest app on your device. Now tap on your profile icon, then select three dots icon. After that, tap on settings. Now open notifications and then tap on Pinterest option. From here, under activity from people you follow, you can see saves option. Tap on the icon beside it and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.